Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sudha Rani, professor in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering. In this program, we are going to understand the default values of instance variables in Java. We have a class named main. Inside this class, we declared several instance variables of different data types. We have a byte b, short s, int I, long L, float f, double bl, char ch, boolean t, and string str. Notice that we did not assign any values to these variables. Since they are instance variables of the class, Java automatically assigns them default values. Now inside the main method, we create an object of the class using main obj is equal to new main. So through the object, we have to access the instance variables. But I'm showing you where I'm not creating an object, but what will happen if I try to access the variables directly. So when I execute, you can see that we got an error that you have to have an object to reference to that variables. So we are creating an object here saying main obj is equal to new main. So now I'm changing it from b to obj.b. So likewise, I'll be writing system.out.println statements for short, for int, for long, for float, for double, for char, and also for string, and I'll show you the output, and also for boolean. So now when I execute the program, you can see the default values of various primitive data types. For byte 0, short 0, int 0, long 0, float 0.0, double 0.0, character blank, boolean false, and string is null. So I'm trying to attempt to access a local variable which is not initialized. So what will happen if I'm trying to access a local variable which is not initialized? So you'll get an error that local variables do not have a default values. So you'll get a compile time error over here. So what we understand from this program is that only instance variables and the static variables get the default values automatically, but the local variables inside a method do not. If you try to use a local variable without initializing, Java will give a compile time error. I hope this video is helpful to you. Thank you for watching.